What if farming could nourish not just people, but the planet too? This is the vision of Akshayakalpa, India's first certified organic dairy with more than 2,800 farmers. And together with Sistema.bio, they are reinventing organic dairy farming. Akshayakalpa works with farmers to provide advanced dairy technologies, training, and support to produce high-quality, antibiotic-free milk. A key aspect of their approach is encouraging organic farming practices that help maintain soil health, reduce chemical use, improve fodder quality, and support long-term farm sustainability. But, in order to scale organic dairy farming, Akshayakalpa needed to help their farmers to manage waste, reduce cooking and agri-input costs, and improve soil health.
This is where Sistema.bio comes in to address the challenges of Akshayakalpa. Sistema.bio is a social enterprise which has been working for the last 15 years to provide the farmers with the biodigester technology. We started working with Akshayakalpa in 2019, and we started with a pilot. We installed our technology to demonstrate the benefit to the farmers in terms of cost saving and various aspects. And then after seeing the benefits, what we realized is that the technology can reduce cost, can improve the sustainability of the farm, and can help farm become an organic farm. So because of this, we expanded the pilot in 2022 and we have installed the technology to more than 400 farmers.
This project spanned across 7 districts of Karnataka. To help smoothly execute the project, Sistema.bio worked with Akshayakalpa to conduct awareness sessions on biogas benefits, carry out farmer selection and baseline surveys, and provide installation support and usage training. Modern biogas plants offers many benefits such as clean cooking and better health, time and cost savings, and organic farming and improved fodder growth. Let's hear directly from the farmers on how this project has made a difference in their daily lives.
ಮತ್ತು ಗೋಬರ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಪರಿಯಿಂದ ತೋಟದ ತೆಂಗಿನ ಮರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಾಳೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಾಳೆನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ತೆಂಗಿನ ಮರ ಈಲ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಬಯೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 12 ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ವು, 12,000 ಹೋಗೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ಬಯೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ 12,000 ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಲರಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಲರಿನ ನಾವು ಬಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ತೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಡಿಕೆ ಗಿಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತೆಂಗಿನ ಗಿಡನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
These biogas plants have helped families save money, treat livestock waste, produce clean energy, and fertilize land. Cleaner energy, healthier soil, empowered farmers. This is just the beginning. Together, we are continuing the journey to create even greater impact.